The next requirement, and this is a big one, a timekeeping system that identifies employees' labor by intermediate and final cost objectives. We talked a little bit about final cost objectives. That is a contract, as it says here, and an intermediate cost objective would be, for example, a fringe benefit such as vacation or sick leave, etc. So let's take a look at that. It's best illustrated by going into the Sympaq e-timesheet and expense. So this is an all-encompassing part of your cost structure. Upon receiving a contract award, you may likely need to hire additional staff. So you need to have an efficient and compliant mechanism to allow your workforce, be they employees or subcontractors, to sign into a timesheet and record their time against specific charge codes being, again, contracts or, in some cases, intermediate cost objectives for leave. So you'll see here I've got the hover over shows the projects, and I can go in and record my time for the day on a daily basis, and that's a big requirement to record your time daily. So this is a nice, efficient way for a particular time period, for a set of dates, to record your time. Now, one thing you'll notice is if it's a direct project, I cannot enter time against it. So I don't have the opportunity to enter time for Wednesday, this being Tuesday. However, if it's an indirect, I can certainly, for vacation, I can charge an indirect or leave objective into the future. So I've been able to accomplish that. But again, I'm locked down. And that's part of the, that's right out of the compliance manual, that you don't pre-fill your timesheets. Now, let's say I wanted to make a change to my timesheet. We're going to take a look at the audit trail. So even though I see I've got 8 hours here, I actually had a quarter of an hour less on this particular project, I realized. So I'm going to go ahead and change it, and I'll go to save it, but it's going to tell me that a reason code must be selected. So this is the audit trail, picking up the fact that I've made a change to my timesheet. So I'll come in and I'll pick a reason as to why I did it, and it's the wrong hours of the project. That's captured. I can save it now, and voila, the time has changed accordingly. Once I have recorded my time for a period, I can also submit my time. That would be the equivalent of signing my timesheets for a given period, and once they're approved, they would be ready for import into the accounting software. We transfer the same data once approved to the accounting software. We do that in a seamless fashion.